Hey everyone, Jason Catrone here.
Shelby Rollins
and
here.
we are Vocal Lab Collective. What up, Shelby?
What's up, Jason?
You know, just having some coffee, chilling with you today.
Yeah.
Always a fun time, you know, doing these reactions.
You know what I realized
Tell me.
when I got here?
What?
Well, last time we filmed in a different room.
Yes.
And we had a different background, different
Yes.
chairs. And so I thought we were going to film in there today, and we're not. And you know what I noticed? The first thing I noticed when I walked in here?
What?
My nails do not match this chair at all.
Oh.
We're very clashy.
The comments are going to come flowing.
Like blood wine red
Yeah,
with like
that's
summer pink.
That's weird. That's
I did get my
weird.
nails done yesterday, and
Nice.
I don't go with a color very often. I usually go with like white on my nails.
Which
'cause I
would have
just
been
like
more
that.
appropriate.
Apparently, but
Yeah. There's and Carlos has given you another hue there just to like match your nails
thanks.
more.
Match your nails.
Yeah.
I thought you were about to say he's giving you a look like, don't talk about that,
Put them in that
Shelby.
light. Oh, see that? Look at that.
good. Does it make the chair look pink instead of red, or does it actually make the chair look bad because the chair is red and the lighting is like purple?
So
Anyway.
you want a little cool tip about these chairs, or cool little
Yeah, I mean, I like
info?
the chairs. Sorry, I was throwing shade.
So these chairs, they're quite red. Normally would not have bought them.
They're comfy.
But yeah, they
I
used
kind
to
of want to drink an old fashioned in one of them.
Yeah, that's the point. They used to belong to, why did I say it like that?
I don't know.
They used to belong to Janis Joplin.
You've told me that. That's
Yeah.
so cool.
Isn't that
Isn't
cool?
she on your wall?
No, but do you know who this is? For those of you out there, you're like, who are all these
I
people
do.
behind him? This can
You
all
need to
change
know.
out, but this is the one and only, the great of greats.
Barbra
Streisand. Babs herself. One of the greatest voices of all time. An ode to Barbara. This space is where we make vocal magic happen on days.
This is where Jason coaches.
Yeah, this is my vocal studio. Shelby has her own. But
Which
yeah.
my studio is somewhere on the channel, buried.
Yeah, true. Yeah.
We've done some
Yeah.
lives. And
So we change up the rooms all the time, keep it fresh, keep it fun.
yeah, don't be confused.
Not at all. It's still me and Shelby.
Yeah.
And we sent Carlos back to where he's from. Which is,
I mean, he's just right there.
oh yeah, sorry. He's just in the back corner. No, we love Carlos. Hey, speaking of love, show the love, hit that subscribe button, bam, 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 bam. Follow us here on YouTube. Check out our new podcast. It's on the playlist. You're gonna love that. We have lots of great info on music, the music biz, with amazing guests joining us from all areas of music business. It is the Vocal Lab podcast. So please listen and follow along with that as well.
Indeed.
And while you're at it, go over to Patreon and join us there for all the behind the scenes stuff and extra footage
Extra.
from these little reactions that you love to watch.
Extra shenanigans.
Extra shenanigans. I like that. Let's shenanigan away. That was weird. Who we got today?
Diana
I'm going to let you do this.
Ankudinova.
Oh, thank you. I didn't want to try.
She is a person from Russia.
That's what we understand.
And this is her cover of Can't Help Falling in Love, which
Yeah.
is a huge classic.
Yeah.
And all I want to ever do is hear like Elvis sing this song.
Yeah.
So I'm excited to hear Diana. You don't often hear females sing this either.
No, you don't. We did do a reaction one time to Angelina Jordan.
Oh,
Do
singing
this song. Yeah, she watched that. I also sang with Angelina Jordan. You should watch that, or Jordan. You should watch that too.
When did you do that?
You like how I drop these names of these
Always.
people I sing with
Always
out here,
name dropping.
in the
It's
singing
so
world.
indulgent.
Let's watch it. This is new to both of us. It's back in November.
Well, I feel like I should have known that then.
Oh,
Anyway. Look, that was a reflection.
that is really cool.
It's like standing on a mirror.
It's like there's two.
Whoa. I need a close-up of her larynx.
What is happening? I'm gonna need a note check on that, Carlos.
It's this note. It's not that low, but it sounds
It just sounds so
because of
low.
her resonance, yes.
Her tone. It's a low F. I love the drama of this arrangement.
Yeah, it's super minor.
It's very James Bondy.
Ooh, it is James Bondy. It's like that Adele song from James Bond.
Yes.
Are we on a TV show?
Looks like it. We need to get a fan for this, moments like this.
That's a good
Carlos
point.
just turns on the fan.
Just let our hair blow as well. That's all head voice.
What?
I have to hear her talk. There's so much effect on the vocal too.
Oh my gosh.
What just
Why did it just end
happened?
like that? Oh my gosh.
No, they led me off a cliff just now. I'm kind of mad about it. Okay, I want to know what the TV show was. It was clearly some sort of like contest reality show for singing something in Russia. And I mean, there was also a lot of effect on the live vocal, right? So there was all these different
There was a lot of effect on
ambient
me.
sounds.
Like, golly,
right?
what just happened?
There's all these ambient sounds around her voice, so in some ways it was hard. Look at this related content, like witchcraft. This person is like, what is this wizardry? It made me really curious to hear more of her pure vocal without amplification of any kind, so that you can get a little bit more of a sense of all the organicness. I'm all into, ambient sounds and effects and stuff like that. They're cool. They can add to a lot of artistry, but now it makes me want to hear more of that pure sound, and I'm dying to hear her talk. Like, I'm dying to hear her speaking voice.
Yeah, I would love to hear her speak. I would love to hear her just with like a piano vocal.
Yeah.
Where it's just really just the raw authenticity of just her
Yes.
voice. Love all the effects. In fact, it was so overwhelming. I didn't even think anything you were thinking. I was just like, what is happening right now?
It was
Because
such
it was
an
like,
experience.
It was an experience, and I was blown away, not only by the vocals she gave us, but by just the arrangement and the drama that came out of it. It's rare when you hear a classic song like that have so much unique appeal in the newness of what they do with it. Because it's really hard to forget the old.
Totally.
Because that's got to be in the top 100 songs of all time.
Totally.
Right? So iconic.
Like, the whole sound is echoing inside of her body.
Yeah, she's like the bellow of the cello in her belly.
Whoa.
Right?
Nice.
And her bosoms.
Jason, don't talk about her bosoms.
Well, she resonates from there.
He's talking about her
true.
chest voice.
It's the chest voice.
Anyway, I'm not safe.
Hey,
Oh
you
my
know what's
gosh.
safe? Hitting that subscribe button. Thank you for joining us today. This has been fun. This was amazing. We're going to listen to more of her. This was cool. This was
Diana,
cool.
thank you.
Until next time, I'm Jason Catrone.
I'm Shelby Rollins.
And we're going to keep our nipples and our coffee to ourselves.
Lord have mercy.
Oh.